By telling this story, odds and ends, from the Grimm Brothers fairy tales, we introduce the phrase odds and ends to English as a foreign language students. The phrase odds and ends refers to various small miscellaneous items or things that are not part of a larger group or category. These are typically small, often unimportant things. For example, bits of leftover materials, small tasks, or random objects can be considered odds and ends. In this story, the odds and ends are represented by the thrown away flax that is tangled. To help students understand further, we could provide examples, such as number 1, in my drawer, I keep all sorts of odds and ends like old pens, buttons, and small tools. Number 2, we spent the afternoon cleaning the garage and organizing all the odds and ends. Number 3, I must tidy up my desk and put away all these odds and ends. After the story listening session, we can explain in their native language that odds and ends is a fixed expression used to describe a collection of miscellaneous, small or leftover items that don't belong to a specific category. This additional explanation takes only a few minutes and ensures that students remember the phrase odds and ends alongside other words they encounter during the story listening session.